How to see who viewed a file in Google Drive 2026 Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed a file in Google Drive using Activity Visibility. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your browser or mobile app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 1. Open your file. Find and open the file you want to check. This works best for files like Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Step 2. Check Activity Dashboard. Now, click on the file name at the top. From the drop-down, select Activity Dashboard. Step 3. View Viewer Information. Inside the Activity Dashboard, go to the Viewers tab. Here, you'll see who viewed your file and when they viewed it. Important note, this feature is only available if you are the file owner or you have proper permissions, and it's usually available for Google Workspace accounts. Step 4. Check Access Permissions. Click on the Share button. Make sure the right people have access to your file. Only users with access can appear in the viewer list. Bonus tip: if you don't see viewer data, it may be turned off. Go to Activity Dashboard Settings and enable View History. And that's it. Now you know how to track who viewed your Google Drive file easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.